In this video, I'll show you how to make a one-by-one Lego. I've already set up my project. Let's confirm that that's the case. So I click Project, and you can see that Lego is the active project. And also, if I look on my Z drive, I'll see that I have the Inventor folder, and then I have the Lego folder already there, and my Lego project file. So I'm in good shape there. So let's go ahead and create a new, let's go to the big I and click New. Normally we're in the standard template is the default. That means the US customary units. We're going to change over to metric here, standard millimeter, create this part. First thing we do is create a 2D sketch. I'm going to create it on the XY plane. And if you look at our document that's attached to the assignment, if you scroll through here, you'll realize that a single 1x1 Lego brick is going to be 8 millimeters on a side and 9.6 millimeters tall, with a stud, or I think in this they call it a knob in this document, that's 1.8 millimeters high and 4.8 millimeters in diameter. So let's make that 8 by 8 square, which we're then going to extrude 9.6 millimeters upward. So I can go to the rectangle tool, and I like to make what's called a coincident constraint by having the cursor go to the cursor. It pops green, that means it's constrained there. Left click, pull out this way, 8 tab, 8 tab, left click, right click, OK, and I can finish my sketch, and then I can extrude this out a total of 9.6 millimeters. And there is my Lego base, so to speak. So now that I've got this rectangular prism, which again is 8 by 8 by 9.6, I want to create a 2D sketch on the very top here, and I'm going to make a circle. A 2D sketch is a circle, and if I'm careful here, I can find right in the middle. So Inventor helps me by finding the center, but I think in this version I need to project the geometry of this particular. So I'm projecting the geometry up onto a sketch plane. So that's kind of new with this version of Inventor, I think. So we have to circle. Okay, you see how it's got the dotted lines? It's going to show me exactly where the center is. So in this step, I'm locating this feature, but I haven't defined its size yet. Well, we saw it was 4.8. And so left click, right click, OK. And you'll see that I have this 4.8 millimeter diameter circle that's centered on the top, but you can see that it's green instead of blue, which means it's unconstrained. And if you look in the lower right hand area here, it says 2 dimensions needed. Well, I think I need to explicitly locate it, the center, relative to each side, even though, yeah, that's correct. Even though the little hints I got from Inventor told me that was the center, in order to make the constraint monitor happy, I need to have one more constraint explicitly taken care of. So let's see, I guess that would be to this one. So that's 4, we know, and you can see that it pops green, blue now that everything is fully constrained. And if you look down here in the lower right, you'll see fully constrained. So I'm going to click OK, and if I hit extrude, that's the area I'm going to want to extrude. So I can either put the number in here and use these sort of shortcut tools, or I can make this a little bigger and cause this to go up 1.8 and use this big dialog box right here. Okay, so I believe that is my brick without a back. So if I come over here to the free orbit tool. I can put it in the middle and I can see the bottom, it's solid. Next one, we're going to put a square hole in the back there so that we can accommodate this stud or knob on top. So let's make this a different color by coming up here, and I like to come down to the smooth, say smooth green. There's one of the two greens. There we have it. So now I'm gonna, since I already set up my project, I don't need to do a file save as and tell it where to go. I just hit save, and it automatically goes to that Lego folder. So this one is underscore Lego1. I believe that was the name it was supposed to have. Let's go back to the assignment. Yep, last name, first name underscore Lego1. And so let's finish that off. So save. Now it's saved, and I can confirm that by going out to the Z drive, computer, Z drive, inventor, Lego, and you can see there's my part.